This is LadeyNews, Africa's voice, Africa's future. I am Angwa Israel. Here are top stories from across Nigeria, Ghana, and the global stage. Government pledges new educational reform amid strike. We begin in Nigeria, where the government is pledging new reforms in the education sector after months of widespread strike by teachers and academic unions. These strikes have severely disrupted schooling across the country, with unions demanding better pay, improved working conditions, and more investment in public education. According to The Guardian, the government is now promising a comprehensive review of education funding and policies. Nigeria's stock market shows resilience amidst global shutdown. In financial news, Nigeria's stock market has shown surprising resilience amidst the global economic slowdown. The Nigerian Stock Exchange has seen a steady increase in investor confidence over the past few weeks, with analysts attributing the growth in Nigeria's strong oil exports and increasing foreign investment in tech startups, as reported by Reuters. And in Ghana, Ghana's government approves major infrastructure projects. Moving to Ghana, the government has approved a major new infrastructure project aimed at improving the country's transportation network. The $1.5 billion highway expansion plan will connect major cities and reduce traffic congestion in urban areas, which has long been the bottleneck for economic growth. According to Ghana Web, the project will also create thousands of jobs for Ghanaians. Ghanaian Central Bank raises interest rates to tackle inflation. In economic news, the Central Bank of Ghana has raised interest rates by 2% in a bid to combat rising inflation. The decision comes as the country faces rising food prices and a weakening currency. Economics has divided on whether this move will stabilize the economy or further strain households already grappling with high living costs, as reported by Business Day in Ghana. And now let's take some global headlines. Russia and Ukraine agree to peace talks, but hurdles remain. On the international front, Russia and Ukraine have agreed to resume peace talks after months of halted negotiations. However, the road to peace remains uncertain as both sides continue to accuse each other of violations of previous ceasefire agreements. The UN has expressed cautious optimism while also urging both sides to take immediate steps to protect civilians, as reported by Al Jazeera. China's economic growth slows amidst global trade tensions. In Asia, China's economic growth has slowed to its lowest point in over a decade. The government has acknowledged that its export-driven economy is being affected by ongoing trade tensions with the United States and other major trading partners. The country is now looking to shift focus towards domestic consumption to retrieve its economy, according to the New York Times. India's renewable energy sector gains momentum. Turning to India, the government has announced a new ambitious renewable energy plan aiming to meet 50% of its energy needs from green sources by 2030. This comes as part of India's pledge to cut down on carbon emission and address the growing environmental challenges faced by the country. The announcement was made during the UN Climate Summit, with the government stressing the importance of sustainable development, as covered by The Guardian. That's all for today's major breaking stories. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and join the conversation online. This is LadeyNews, Africa's voice, Africa's future.